UZCAM na Union Home Minister da piba cherol ngamkhay sambal khaba made FMR lauthokpa yaroy. Myanmar amasung India nigi border area da thamlamba free movement regime FMR lauthoktanaba made ngamkhay sambal khadanaba gi matangda United Zoship Association Manipur UZCAM na Union Home Minister Amit Shah da cherol ama piduna taksan kray association asigi chairman amasung Secretary ani na sign tawduna DC Churachandpur gi khuthangda Union Home Minister da pesin ki bachero laduna Manipur gi mafam kayada Jau tribal khulsing paksan na khunda laita duna leire amaromda Indo Myanmar border gi Manipur sarukta ngamkhay puliba punba asang bagi chada Hompudi Churachandpur district na council le handak union government na border fencing tawbaga loina na border area da chanaramba Free movement regime lauthokлагani haiba wafam yamna laibak thibane center government ki firep ase awang nongpok lamdamda khundari ba tribal community singda yamna bias laiba mijeng ama yengbani haina lawgane international border asigi nakal animakta masing chap manana Jau phurup ki miyoi sing khunda leita duna leirevane free movement regime laibana international boundary na tokhai tahalava Jau phurup sing ase sangthok sangchin tawbada khudong chaba phangduna lakbane Free movement regime asina international boundary asigi nakal animakta kilometer taraga taruk na kuanba maphamsing athingba yaudana sangthok sangchin tawbada ayaba piribani haina supalle cherola duna United Nations Declaration of the Human Rights of Indigenous People 2007 gi article 36 ki wafam palladuna article asina international boundary na khaidok pidaba chapmana ba furup ki miyoi sing amana amada changba dharmaga mari laina ba thabak sing punna saruk yaminaba amana amada mateng pinaba cultural, political, economic amasung social purpose singda mateng pinabada ayaba piribani haire maram asina sigumba khongthang ama laukhanaba firep laudringai mamangda union government na yellow missing hana tanaram gadavane maram asina handak union government na Myanmar amasung India nigi ngamkhay sambal khanaba made free movement regime lauthoknaba firep laurakpa se yaba ngamloi maram asina union government na laukhiba firep adu handokpiyu haina United Zoship Association Manipur na Union Home Minister gi pungning chingchen kheng